Jayde, over here, babe.
David, watch out.
Is that ice cream good, Ava? Yummy. Yummy. Your bathing suit's so cute. Riley, are you thirsty? I need something to go like a. I need something around my neck for my Oh, sorry. Come on, come here. Thing to try for Ava, so we're about to put it together. I think she's gonna really like it. They are playing in the pool we just got her, but we figured since it's getting really hot, even hotter than it already is here in Florida, that we would get some fun stuff to play in the pool. So we'll see how this is. It just kind of like, it's like a wiggle worm, and it just sprays water everywhere. It's supposed to be like this, so I'll let you know how it is. So we just got back from Walmart. We just got Ava a plastic baby pool that has Minnie on it. We grabbed that over at, actually we got that at Big Lots, my mistake. We got another little water toy that sprays. It's like that worm thing that I just showed you at Walmart. And we just wanted her to have some toys to play out here in our backyard. We're also gonna get a patio furniture set. We just haven't decided on that, so we can spend some more time outside. It's getting super hot here in Florida, so we need more stuff to do here at the house. And Ava absolutely loves the water, so I will show you here in a minute. Her and her dad are playing outside in the water, and she is having the time of her life. And as you saw earlier, she absolutely loves the splash pad, pretty much anything to do with water. So I definitely recommend a baby pool for this age. She'll be 15 months on June 12th. So they're so funny out there. But let's see what they're doing. Look at you. Do you like your new pool? Does it have Minnie on it?
Be careful, Jade.
No, she's fine.
She's gonna trip, Jade.
No, even if she does, it's fine. Ha 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 ha. You're so cute. See, I wish Riley could come out here. I wish Riley could come out here. You walking, Riley? You walking, Riley? You like to walk, Riley, in the pool? Riley, you're being such a good doggy. Yes, you are. But isn't Riley being good? Yeah. Look at her. David, I want to get that thing. No, don't put it in there. Are you going to put it in there? It's not going to stay up, David. It's going to float. You have to put it on the ground, my love. The ground. No, wait, farther away from the house, David. You have to put it over here. Daddy's gonna put that on, honey. Look at that. Oh my God. David, move it around. Oh my gosh. Oh. David, put her next. Put it straight. David, put it more straight. David, it's getting on the glass too. You have to put it out more, babe. Oh my gosh. David, take her out. Ava, look at the water. I think one. That's super cute. David, go tell her to go buy it. I think it sprays in your face too much.
Wow, I'm like so.
Yay! Have her go up to it. It kind of squirts in her face. I feel like it's more for kids. Are you feeding the ducks, baby? He's feeding the ducks. There it goes. It flew away. This girl is on a move for it. This is all she wants to do is run, 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 run. Walk everywhere. Yes. So we just got done with our bath. Ava is playing, reading. She loves her little books here. What you doing, Ava? She's all nice and clean. But I'm gonna go downstairs and start dinner. It's about 6 o'clock. I am so tired. I don't know if it's because of the heat or what, but it's just so hot lately, and it's only the beginning of June. I just feel like it doesn't usually start getting this hot in Florida, like this hot. I mean, it's always hot, but this is just like suffocating until like July. But we'll see. But I really hope that you enjoyed our Sunday fun day family vlog. Stay tuned for our next one. Bye, guys.